everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Look what I just got in the mail. I got Lunar Beauty's Moonspell Volume 2. I didn't even know this was coming out. I got the email stating that it was dropping, and I went right from the email, went right in and purchased it. I'm not a completist, but I think when it comes to these palettes, I probably will become a completist. I love my original, which I brought here for you to see. This is the original. These are limited edition, and Manny did say once they're sold out, they will not come back. I did, after I purchased this, watch Manny's launch video, and he said when they're gone, they're gone. So, yeah, I'm glad I've got that one. And so now I have volume 2, and it came with a postcard. There we go. Try not to show you the glare. And I wasn't interested in the lips. The lips, I'm not a big lip person. I mean, I wear lipsticks, but they're not, I'm more drawn to eyeshadow palettes. So I wasn't interested in purchasing it. This collection has 1 lipstick and 2 lip glosses. I have got so many lip glosses, and to me they all look the same basically on my lips, the ones I have. Anyway, I don't need any more lip gloss. I rarely wear the lip gloss I have. And then the liquid lip is a red. I've got enough red in my collection that I didn't feel like I needed it. It is pretty. If that's what they're wearing, if that's what he's wearing, that's a very pretty lip, but not for me. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. So just like the original, volume 2 slides out. Manny did show there's some different artwork, but it's basically sort of, it's the sister palette to the original Moonspell. And let me show you the inside. Luckily, we get more shadows in this one than we did in the first palette. I think, let me open the first one up. I think we get 5 more shadows. No, see. Yeah, we do. Let me see if I can, I'll do it this way. Upside down, because I don't want the mirrors. Well, let's do it back here. There we go. You can see. This one is a more universal palette that you can basically easily do a look with. This one, it is a little more, it's purples, burgundies, reds, yeah, but I mean that's okay. And of course there's some shimmers and there's all kinds of pretty shades. So I thought I would swatch them for you. All I have done is create this eye look, and if you are interested in seeing how I did this, I will include that at the end of the video, so just keep watching. Oh, and by the way, welcome. I'm sorry I didn't welcome you to my channel. Thank you for spending some time with me. And if you are new, I would love it if you would subscribe. I've started to do a lot more of eyeshadow tutorials on this channel. So if you're interested in that, welcome. Okay, now let's go through these. I'm not going to go through all the names. If you're really interested in this palette, go see Manny's video. I just want to do swatches and give you my opinions on what I have done so far and what I have used. So I'm going to go across the top row. We have Agatha, which is more of a shimmer topper. So let's do 4 at a time. I got Luna, which is a pink glittery pink. That's very pretty. Mildred, which is a brown, a coppery color. Myrtle, I think this is after Moaning Myrtle. Love Harry Potter. I've been watching the movies recently, and that is a duochrome, by the way. He did say I can see the blue and purple shift in this. There we go. Put it where I can see. And then I got one more on the top. If I can remember where the names come from, I'll tell you, like Moaning Myrtle. Luna was from Harry Potter as well. And then to round out the top row, we have Misty. That's from American Horror Story. Then we have, next row down, we have Alex, which is a matte Pink Cameron, which is a matte red, and Sally. Sally is from Practical Magic. That is a terracotta brown. Let me put where I can see. There we go. Now, put my hand off. Next we have Jillian, which is also from Practical Magic. If you haven't seen that movie, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorites. Watch it over and over. That's a matte, kind of a fuchsia purple. And then we have Willow, which, oh, look at that red. Oh, I'm in love with that red. Then next row down, we have Louise, which is a pretty shimmer purple. Not a glitter, it's more of a shimmer. And then we have Zelda. Right there. And I have Zelda on my eyes. If you'll watch the tutorial, you'll see where I put them. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, got that off. So where did I end with? I ended with Hilda. Alright. Next we have Grams. Oh, I'm using Grams as well, I believe, in my eye look. Freya. Freya is a, oh, look at that matte. Freya is from the originals, which is another series I love. I watched all of them. If you want to go and, so it was on the CW. It's a spin-off of the Vampire Diaries, which I watched all of as well. There's Maggie, which is a pretty matte burgundy. And then Mel Thompson. That was so sad to hear. A pretty brown. Of course, this Mel is not after Mel Thompson, but we will remember her. And then I have 3 more shades that I will find somewhere to put. We have a pretty matte purple. Oh, that's nice. That is Macy. Next is Queenie, which is a matte burgundy. Queenie is again from American Horror Story, the Coven series. And then last is Marie. Marie is really pretty. Marie is a black with iridescent sparkle in it, but I will tell you, I am wearing it. When you put it on, like other sparkly mattes, goes away. Goes away. I'll put them right here. You can see it on my hand a bit, but it does go away when you use it. Especially if you blend with it, it goes away. So, my take on these eyeshadows. I will say a few of them, just to fill it in the pan, what wasn't as buttery and creamy as the original palette. I will have to play with it some more. I am not sorry I bought it, and I will definitely, during this 31 days of October, you'll see some looks with this for sure. Queenie, that burgundy purple, seemed to be a little crumbly. It was this one right here, this burgundy matte. But I'm gonna, Willow was that beautiful red, and then Freya, I just wanted to show you those side by side. I'm gonna put them side by side. Okay, yeah, you can really see the difference side by side, but they're so pretty. They are all so pretty. So thank y'all for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this, and if you're planning on picking it up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, and thanks for hanging out with me. And if you want to see this eye look, then keep watching. you.